You can now download your Aadhaar card, PAN card, driving license and other important documents on WhatsApp. Yes, you heard that right. Well, WhatsApp now allows you to save all these necessary documents on your system in a neat and orderly way. Well, let us tell you that you can download your important documents through DigiLocker, which is an online digitalization service by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Well, interested individuals can quickly get their papers from DigiLocker, such as their Aadhaar card or PAN card, using the My Government Help Desk WhatsApp chatbot. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to use My Gov Help Desk to download or access your document chatbot for WhatsApp. So first, all you need to save 9013151515 as My Gov Help Desk contact number on your smartphone. After this step, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile phone and refresh it. And then simply search and open the My Gov Help Desk chatbot. Then type namaste/hi and press the send option. Following which, the My Gov Help Desk chatbot will ask you to choose between the CoWIN services or the DigiLocker services option. And then now tap yes when the chatbot asks if you have a DigiLocker account. In case you don't have the DigiLocker account, you can create it by visiting the official website or DigiLocker app. After this, the chatbot will ask for your 12-digit Aadhaar number to link and authenticate your DigiLocker account. Then simply enter your Aadhaar number and send. Following which, you will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number and simply you have to enter it on the chatbot. Now the chatbot list will show you all the documents linked with your DigiLocker account. Then to download, type send the number the document is listed at. Your document will be available for download in the chat box in PDF form. So following these easy steps will allow you to download your Aadhaar card, PAN card or any other important documents that you want to download on WhatsApp. Well, we hope this video was helpful. While for more such content, do like and subscribe to our channel India.com.